In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a photo document in Microsoft Word and how to clear a document in MS Word. If you have a document that has been saved as a photo or image, you can still make changes to it in Microsoft Word. However, because the text is part of the picture, you cannot edit it in the same way as normal Word text. Instead, you can use Word's picture and text tools to clear the existing information and add your own text. First, open Microsoft Word and open the document containing the photo or scanned document. Click on the picture to select it. Once the picture is selected, the Picture Format tab will appear at the top of the Word window. You can use the available picture options to adjust the size and position of the image. Resize the picture if necessary so that the document fits properly on the page. If you want to clear existing text from a specific area of the photo, you can place a shape over that section. Go to the Insert tab and select Shapes. Choose a rectangle and draw it over the text or information that you want to cover. Next, select the rectangle and go to the Shape Format tab. Use Shape Fill to choose a color that matches the background of the document. If the background is white, for example, you can choose a white fill so that the original text underneath is no longer visible. Then, use Shape Outline and select No Outline. This removes the border around the shape and helps the covered area blend into the document. Once the original information has been covered, you can add new text over the area. Go to the Insert tab and select Text Box. Insert the text box over the area where you want the new information to appear. Click inside the text box and type the text you want to add. You can select the text and use the Home tab to adjust the font, size, color, alignment, and other formatting options. Try to match the appearance of the original document so the new information fits naturally into the design. If the text box has a background or border, use the Shape Format options to select No Fill and No Outline. This allows the new text to appear directly over the picture without a visible box around it. Continue adjusting the picture, shapes, and text boxes until the document looks the way you want. Remember that this method does not convert the text inside the photo into editable Word text. Instead, it allows you to cover existing information and place new editable text over the image. Before finishing, review the entire document and make sure the covered areas and replacement text are positioned correctly. And that's how you can edit a photo document and clear existing information in Microsoft Word using pictures, shapes, and text boxes. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel,